dear fellows, there you are. Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite wicked witch of the West, and today I'll teach you a makeup tutorial to make you all green like this. It's as spellbinding as a flying monkey. So, are you ready to embrace your inner wickedness? Let's get started. First, you must cleanse your skin. Any moisturizing potion will do, but your favorite Wicked Witch uses Revitalift Microcrystal Essence from L'Oreal. We don't want any dry spells, so make sure to use it properly. Then we shall employ the Ingrid Mineral Silken Lift Foundation in the shade Porcelain to colorize our skin. Use it generously and slap your face so that you can use it evenly in Wicked Witch style. Now your skin is so pale like a ghost, but we don't want to be the ghost. We want the beautiful Wicked Witch of the West style. So make sure you remember that. Next, my pretties, apply the Studio Finish powder from NYX upon your face to seal in that ghostly pallor. Now is the time to make yourself positively emerald, for it is the color of power and envy. I've used the Ingrid Eyeshade Casablanca in the shade 108, but you can use any shade that matches your skin tone. Apply it evenly, just like I spread fear across us. After all, we have to be wicked. Now my pretties, we do the sinister eye makeup, befitting your favorite Wicked Witch of the West. For that we take the Shiseido Kajal Inkartist in Purple Blossom. This bewitching shade is perfect for the wickedly mesmerizing look we seek. So use it evenly all over your eyelid and smudge it under your eye as well. Make sure to make it dark like those wicked secrets you keep. To become more green as the Emerald City, use the Blue Lagoon eyeshadow from Maybelline in 412 and apply it all over your face. To make those wicked cheekbones, we use the dark art of contouring. For that, you will need the Color Riche eyeshadow palette in Smokey from L'Oreal. Choose the black matte shade from it and apply it under your cheekbones on your jawline. But remember my pretties, it's not enough to just apply it because you have to smudge it. Blending, blending, blending. As I blend, I summon forth the dark shadows is starting to reveal my true wicked power. Now for the wicked radiance, we use the color icon 10 pan eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild called Stop Playing Safe. Use it on the high points of our face, like the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and the cupid's bow, so that they shall become the beacons of light. Behold as the highlighter bestows upon you an ethereal glow, like the stars over the haunted forest of Oz. Time for the lips. Choose a bold, dark lipstick. I'm using Antique Velvet from MAC Cosmetics and applying it with a brush all over my lips. You can use a dark lipstick that matches my signature ruby slippers as well to define the perfect wicked witch of the West lips. To make it even more dark, like my heart of gold, I've used the Color Riche eyeshadow again from L'Oreal, and now apply that black eyeshadow on top of the smoky brown lipstick from MAC evenly. And there you have it, dark, mysterious lips, which is so wicked. Fuck up, my pretties. Sculpt those brows like you're creating the perfect broomstick. Define them with a dark pencil, and don't be afraid to make them as sharp as my cackling laughter. And now it's time to set your wicked look with a colossal mascara from Maybelline. Lock it in like a locked door in a castle for eternity. There you have it, my darlings. You're now ready to conquer Oz in style. For more dark details, go to the wicked website aishadvlogs.com. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I'll get you, my pretty and your little dog too.